Top 10 benefit of castor oil. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis, has been used for centuries for its potential health and beauty benefits. Here are 10 potential benefits of using castor oil. 1. Skin moisturization. Castor oil is a natural emollient that can deeply moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated. 2. Hair growth. Castor oil is often used as a hair treatment to promote hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles and improving circulation to the scalp. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. 4. Wound healing. Castor oil can aid in wound healing due to its antimicrobial properties and ability to promote tissue regeneration. 5. Acne treatment. Castor oil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce acne and control breakouts. 6. Joint pain relief. Massaging castor oil into joints can provide relief from joint pain and discomfort, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis. 7. Laxative effects. Taken orally in small amounts, castor oil has laxative properties that can help relieve constipation. 8. Eyelash and eyebrow growth. Applying castor oil to lashes and brows may promote their growth and thickness. 9. Nail health. Massaging castor oil onto nails and cuticles can help strengthen nails and prevent breakage. 10. Antifungal properties. Castor oil's antifungal properties can make it effective against fungal infections like athlete's foot. It's important to note that while castor oil offers potential benefits, individual responses can vary. Always do a patch test before applying castor oil to a larger area of skin to ensure you don't experience any adverse reactions. If you plan to consume castor oil orally, it's crucial to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as its laxative effects can be strong and potentially harmful if used improperly. As with any natural remedy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before using castor oil, especially if you have specific health concerns, allergies, or are pregnant or nursing. Castor oil can be a useful addition to your self-care routine, but using it safely and appropriately is key.